visit? Did they cut your visit short?
No, I didn't have a visit today.
Oh, okay. Send children to pedophiles. You like child sex trafficking? That's pretty sick, isn't it? No money's worth that. But that's what pays your insurance, huh? That's what puts food on your table. What about the little children you hurt? You don't think that's sick? How's it feel to send children to sex traffickers? How's it feel to send children to sex traffickers? You sick? You're a sick lady. Sending children to pedophiles, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. What? What's that? Oh, okay. How's it feel to send children to child sex traffickers, you sick pup? Huh? Sending children to pedophiles, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. You ought to be ashamed of yourself, dude. Truffles! Tasty, tasty truffles! Truffles! Tasty, tasty truffles!
Because I was raised in your friend's culture.
We'll give them some real good truffles. Get them all messed up. Bring some shrooms and get them all tripping. Hey, would you like a special burger? There you go. Go give it to everybody else.
She's not a happy camper right now.
Oh, I know.
Huh?
So nice.
Because she's
So
got to send out
pretty.
here.
And you did the hat. Thank you.
You know, what did they do if they did stay the night there? Just started camping out. I mean, I just posted up tents and just walked on the sidewalk.
She's having too much fun.
I just haven't hated it.
What is it? Gotta come over and give my little buddy a hug. What is it, girl?
You're touching me. You're touching me. We touching me for. Don't touch me there. Don't touch me there. My foster parent touched me there. Bob. Bob.
Uh-oh.
Be here.
Yeah, there's one of them.
Escort that one guy out of here.
Yeah, that was yesterday. No, it was the Charger, the black Charger.
That was the unmarked.
Yeah.
That was the unmarked you got in right back.
Coming to get Marty.
You know what? When that one comes out, I stand right there. It's right up on it,
Trying to
too.
pick up Marty.
Hey, how do you feel about sending children to sex traffickers and pedophiles? You probably don't feel nothing about that as long as you get a paycheck, huh? I mean, what's money when you got to compare money to morals, right? You'd much rather have money than morals. How do you feel about sending children to sex traffickers, though? Huh? That's what I thought. No comment. As long as the money's good, that's all that matters, right? Uh-oh, here comes the cop. Let me guess, you're just turning around, right? I didn't see one in the front or the back.
Unless he was laying down on the seat.
Yeah.
No, they'll come in and get him here soon.
Oh, yeah.
Because they don't want people knowing what kind of car he drives. Do is go to the DMV, hey, this person owes me money, I gotta assess my car. $5, give them the license plate number, and they'll tell you where they live at. My friend, he used to have, like, he'd sell cars and we'd have to go repo them. They wouldn't make payments on it. We'd do that, $5, go to the DMV, and you can get somebody's address real quick.
we're not going to camp. We're going to make it look like, yeah. I got 2 or 3 I think I can bring already.